Hi everyone, let's learn some slang in French. Some expressions to sound more native, everyday conversation. What would the French would say? And let's start with how to say my friend or the plural my friends. Mon pote. Mon pote. Mon pote. My friends. Mes potes. Mes potes. I'm going to say my potes or mes potes. Now, how to say something crazy, amazing, wonderful. It's ouf. This movie is fantastic. Ce film est ouf. Est ouf. Ce film est ouf. That means amazing or crazy or nice. How to say girl in French slang? You say meuf. Meuf. For example, that's my girlfriend. C'est ma meuf. C'est ma meuf. You could easily say another name, but it's what's used in everyday language. C'est ma meuf. Same with job. Job, you could say in French, travail. But in the everyday language, we say boulot. Boulot. I'm going to work. Je vais to work au boulot. Je vais au boulot. Je vais au boulot. Now let's move to a car. Car, bagnole. It's not bagnole, it's bagnole. Bagnole. For example, your car is beautiful. Ta bagnole est belle. Ta bagnole est belle. Ta bagnole est belle. Ooh, ta bagnole est belle. To really like or love or enjoy something, we say in French, kiffe, kiffe, the verb kiffe. Let's take an example. I love this song. Je kiffe cette chanson. Je kiffe, song is chanson. Je kiffe cette chanson. Je kiffe cette chanson. Je kiffe cette chanson. To work. To work means working, like the verb to work. Bosser. Bosser. It's like you're saying the boss. I have to work tomorrow. Je dois. I have. To work is bosser. Tomorrow, demain. Je dois bosser demain. Je dois bosser demain. Annoying. It's relou. Relou. That teacher is annoying. Ce prof, that teacher, annoying, est relou. Ce prof est relou. Ce prof est relou. Ce prof est relou. To leave or to get out or se barrer. Se barrer. Shall we get out of here? Shall we get out of here? On se barre? On se barre? On se barre. To make it easy, on se barre. On se barre? Shall we get out of here? So now laziness or can't be bothered. It's la flemme in French. Flemme. Let's take the example. I can't be bothered to go out. J'ai la flemme. I can't be bothered to go out. De sortir. De sortir. J'ai la flemme de sortir. J'ai la flemme de sortir. Oh, j'ai la flemme de sortir. J'ai la flemme de sortir. J'ai la flemme de sortir.